Hello, hello, welcome to SharonBeMakinStuff. So I don't know what it is about watermelon, but it just screams summer to me, so that's why today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a watermelon shaved ice dessert recipe. And I think you guys will appreciate just how simple it actually is to create a shaved ice dessert that tastes just as good as it looks. So let's go ahead and get started with our ingredients. So the first thing you're going to be needing is, of course, watermelon. I just chopped mine in half, and to make your life easier, get a seedless watermelon. The next thing you need is some ice cream. I like French vanilla, but you're free to use whatever flavor you want. You're also going to need some ice blocks that go into your ice shaver machine, so make sure you prep this ahead of time. Next on the list is some chocolate chips to mimic the seeds, and last but not least, some condensed milk. So first things first, here is my trusty little watermelon ball scooper that you'll be needing to create the little cute watermelon balls. If you don't have one of these, they sell them pretty much anywhere in like the kitchen utensil aisle for like $5 to $10, so it's very inexpensive and you can create a whole bunch of cool desserts with them. So all you're going to be doing is scooping out little balls of watermelon, placing them aside, and then we're going to use them after to top off the shaved ice. So this is what my watermelon bowl looks like after I've scooped out all the flesh. It's okay to have that leftover pink rind around the side. It's just, I don't know, I just like the look of it better, but if you want to scoop out the whole thing clean, you're free to do that as well. Alrighty, so now onto the fun part. This is my trusty little shaved ice machine. I've had it for quite a while now, but they do sell them on Amazon for like $35-ish around. And I think if you're quite obsessed with shaved ice dessert and you want to make them yourself, it's worth quite the investment because you have a whole bunch of endless possibilities you can do with this thing. So all you have to do is put the frozen block of ice into the top, cap it off, and start turning that handle, and shaved ice just comes right out the bottom into a bowl. Okay, so once I have a small bowl's worth of shaved ice, I'm just going to dump that into my watermelon bowl, just even it out, and then give it a nice drizzle of condensed milk. And then you're just going to repeat these two steps about 2 more times until you have a good mountain of shaved ice in your watermelon bowl. Okay, so now we are going to take those watermelon balls that we scooped out earlier, and now we're going to decorate the top of the shaved ice just by placing them all the way around. You can put them as close together or as far apart as you want, just whatever looks nice to you. After that, you're going to give it one final drizzle of condensed milk all over the watermelon balls and the ice, and then you're going to top it off with one nice scoop of vanilla ice cream or whatever flavor of ice cream that you decided to use. I also spontaneously decided that mint would be the perfect topping for this dessert, so I just ran to my little herb garden at the back and grabbed some mint and stuck it on there. And guys, please don't blast me for not washing the mint, okay? It came right out of the garden. Everybody was fine, okay? Okay, let's just all be chill about it. Deep breaths. Alrighty, so this final step is optional. I decided to add little chocolate chips all the way around just to mimic the seeds of the watermelon and give it the final touch. I just think it looks much more fun and more cute, but it's up to you. You can add it if you want, or you can leave it out if you don't want to. Alrighty friends, so that is it for this watermelon shaved ice dessert video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to SharonBeMakinStuff, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!